Catching all kinds of stuff. Conch shells, conch, horseshoe crabs. My first time ever picking up a wild horseshoe crab. But I let the little guy go because I don't want him to be outside for that long. There's all sorts of little fish and stuff in the water. Really cool. What'd you catch? Oh wow. This little rascal. Alright buddy, I don't want you to get hurt. So I'm gonna put you in the water. Look at this guy. Good haul. Yeah, that's a good shot.
It's a spider crab.
So we have just arrived at the trailhead. Which trailhead are we? Where are we at?
Sand Pond Woodlands.
Sand Pond Woodlands.
And we have a slight sprinkle.
We have a slight sprinkle. But I think we're gonna survive.
So we
On y
won't
va.
be too hot. To the right. You did it! You did it! Now, we're going to put our hands in a triangle.
Oh wow. Who found it? We've been lost in the woods for a few hours now. We've had to ration out our food, ration out our water. We are survivors. And we will find our way to civilization. I did eat a banana and a pretzel rod. I do have some water with electrolytes. About a cup left. The queens walk with a great deal of speed. They are speed walkers. I struggle to keep up. Oh, you see that? They even trot sometimes.